Hey, Steven here at Midtown Chimney Sweeps. A lot of people don't realize this about us, is that we don't only have residential clients, but we have quite a few commercial clients. I'm here right now in front of one of our coffee shops. And once a week, we'll come out here and we'll clean their pipes out so they can reuse them. In this particular project, they recycle their pipes out, so they have two sets. And they will take them out, and then I'll sweep them, and then we'll replace them. And I usually do this once a week. So here in a second, we'll go in and we'll take a look at the project. We'll set our pipes out and we'll get to sweeping. See you in a bit. Here we're at one of the coffee roasters. So what we do here is these pipes right here will get taken out of rotation and they're replaced right here. So it makes the transition very easy. And then these pipes right here will be taken out to the dock, and then I sweep them at least once a week. So these are the 4 pipes for this particular job that they're usually pulling in and out of rotation. We got the 2 elbows, a 5-footer, and a 2-footer. As you can see, they will get very, very dirty. Now these pipes were about 10 times worse than this before they had called Midtown Sweeps out to start sweeping. At the time, the company was using a chisel to try to chisel all of the hard creosote out. It just was not working for them. So they had called me out to help them figure out a better solution. And I've been doing it now for probably about a year and a half, usually once a week. These are the tools that are used for this particular job. So we've got our power drill, we've got our rod with a special brush, stainless steel brush. This is the only thing that really works for cleaning all those coffee grounds and creosote out. And for the really hard stuff, we've got this chain whip. This does a good job, but it is noisy. So we'll plug everything in and get to cleaning. So now I got these pipes set up the way I like to clean them, and we're gonna do a little cleaning for you. That's just a partial amount, but you can see how well and effective this stainless brush setup that we have does. Now for these really tough pipes, where you can see how the creosote has built up and baked on there, this chain whip is really the only thing that works well for it. Now like I mentioned, okay, we'll stop right there, but you can see by doing that a while, it really gets that creosote off very well. Okay, now for the really dirty one. This straight pipe is really usually the dirtiest one out of the entire project. You can see that's about 1/8 of an inch of buildup right there. And this thing was probably done 1 week, maybe 2 weeks ago. So we'll clean this and see how effective our stainless steel brush is on this bad boy. There you have it. You can see how important it is on this particular job, since it's a coffee roasting company, to get these pipes out and cleaned at least once a week. So that's about all I have for you here today. So remember, Midtown Chimney Sweeps is not only here for your residential chimney sweeping needs, but also your various commercial. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.